information about population. So the second topic is information about population. Suppose I need an information, so what are the sources of information? The first is the complete enumeration or census as a sample. So first is the complete enumeration, this is called a census, and the second point is that the sample survey. The two things and the two sources which can be we can get information from the surroundings. So what is the census? Census is every year conducted in every 10 years we will conduct, and in the census each and every unit of the population is included in the census, and many questions are included when a deep study. So census investigation is useful in many situations when we have need a deep study to perform, when studies area is limited, when adequate accuracy and reliability is desired, and when investigators have resources, and when use of sampling method is tough and prohibitive. So there are the 4 5 points which are mandatory for the following situations: census investigation. So merits and demerits of the census. Now what are the merits and demerits of census? So some basic merits are here. First is useful in heterogeneity. So suppose that I have all the data of all India, of the all the population, so we can we can divide whole the population in different categories, and the different suppose I want to know about the all the caste. So we can separate all the castes according to the religion. Second point is that deep study is possible. Deep study is possible that. So the second point is that deep study is the possible is that through census deep study of the object is possible, so that the investigator can get the total information about the variable. So we can go for deep study. Third point is that high level of accuracy. So high level of accuracy is that if we have a proper data of all the population, so we can get a better chance of knowledge. Fourth point is necessary in some situations. In the nature of the investigation is like that the involvement of all the units is necessary, then the census is necessary. So in census of population of a country, every year every 10 years conduct. Now what are the demerits of the population? So demerits are here. The first point is that the useless in case of destructive units. Destructive units are here if the units are destructive type and be destroyed by examining, this method is useless. Suppose that I am examining the destructive products, like I am a owner of company of bulb company, and I want to investigate all the bulbs. So this is not fair for all the bulbs, because of the we cannot examine all the bulbs according to the quality or everything, because for this we can get a very heavy loss. So we take here sample only, we don't take any census here. The second time is here the more time and the energy. More time energy, that means that we take more time for the collecting the data and human sources also. And the third one point is more expensive. More expensive, this means that this is very costly, because of the for the collecting all the information very very, if the investigators go for door to door and collect the information, is time consuming also, and if we pay the salary for this person, so this will be the very expensive for us. And the fourth point is the investigation remains incomplete, is that in this method time, money, organization and large number of field investigators are required. population is also large. In this one, investigation remains incomplete. That investigation remains incomplete. What it means by, so in this one, money, organization, and large number of field investigation are required. Population is also large, therefore the investigation may remain. So suppose that in our India there is a very huge population, so for this we cannot go for the whole census, and most of the time we cannot collect all the informations about all the populations, so we leave it all the lots of peoples in the census. A fifth point is inconvenient. Inconvenient means that this matter is inconvenient because this needs a whole department to be established as separately. Problems related to management arise. So inconvenient means that because the management should be proper. In the case if the management is not proper and the collection is not proper, that means that the census is not will be good. The sixth point is not possible for all. Not possible for all means that because in all the census, all the areas, all the industries, this is not possible for all. And the seventh point is not possible for every situation. Census is not possible from many reasons in various situations where the investigation area is large and wide. In such cases, contact to each and every unit is not possible. So, because this is not possible in every situation, because we cannot cover all the population, we cannot contact to each and every person of the people of the region. And the last point is the statistical error. Statistical error is that in this method we cannot have the knowledge of statistical error, so we left here the statistical error, which is very important for the any sample survey or anything.